Right, in this video, you're going to learn how to put YouTube into restricted mode or how to upload YouTube for kids. I'm going to explain all this to you. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to watch the next one. Same if you're on a mobile or on a PC. So if you go up to your profile, top right hand corner, you can see my little mug there. Go there. And then you go down to restricted mode. And then you just switch it on. So if you will need to put on restricted mode for if you've got a child who's going to use your laptop, tablet or PC. This only affects the browser on the machine you're working on. Got a child in your household, grandkids, and you want to add them to your laptop, PC, iPhone, you can download YouTube Kids. So you can do that on the iPhone by go to Apple Store. You can do this as well. You can go to YouTube Kids. Here we've got the official YouTube Kids. You go in there. So the child would go on the YouTube Kids app. It'll ask you if you're a kid, if you're a parent. So here it's asking me for my details to sign in. It's getting my YouTube account details. Ask for my date of birth. So it's asking about the ways of verifying myself. So if you want to, now you've created the YouTube Kids, what you can do is go bookmark it there. And so it's got it there. Just gone up the top. So I've got on my bookmarks bar. If you learnt something today, go on and watch another video and learn a bit more. Or subscribe to watch the latest videos coming out.